So guys, in this video I will tell you how you can download Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft official website. So first of all, what you need to do, just you need to open the any browser. So I am using Chrome, so I am opening it, and after that you need to type here Windows 10 ISO file download. Okay, just type this. I'm gonna just zoom in it. So you need to type Windows 10 ISO file download. Now press enter. So now, and you need to go to the first website, it's of Microsoft. Okay, just open the website. So now you can download Windows 10 through installation media. So there is one more method through which you can directly download Windows 10 ISO file. So for that, what you need to do, just right click on here, and now you will get an option inspect over here. Click on this option. So now you will see a console type thing will open here. So what you need to do now, just watch it carefully. Here you will see an icon like mobile. Okay, so just click on this icon. Okay, click on this icon. As soon as you click on this icon, the screen will get short, and you will see the screen like this over here. And just what you need to do, just you need to refresh the site once. Okay, just click on refresh. Okay, now just close the console from here, and now you can see, you can select the edition of Windows 10. So I'm gonna just select Windows 10, and now I'm going to click on confirm. And now you need to select the product language. So I am selecting English International. Now click on confirm. So now you need to select Windows 10 English International, means you need to download 64-bit or 32-bit. So for this, what you need to do, in order to check your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, you need to open this PC, and now just right click on it here. Now click on properties. Now just wait for a while. So as you can see here, in the system type you will see 64-bit operating system, means I am using 64-bit operating system. So I am downloading 64-bit. So I'm just closing it. So I'm downloading 64-bit. If you are using 32-bit, you can download 32-bit. So I'm using 64-bit, I am downloading 64-bit. So now you can download to any folder. So I'm just saving on the desktop. So now as you can see, Windows 10 20H2 latest version ISO file is now started. Okay, so through this way you can just download Windows 10 ISO file. It's very easy. Okay, so if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.